resistors, one of them 4.7 kiloohm, and 3 of them 10 kiloohm. 2 NPN transistors BD139. 5-volt DC power supply. Finally, breadboard. We'll connect the OR gate circuit. First, we will put our 2 NPN transistors. Now we will connect the base terminals of transistors to 10 kiloohm resistors. These 2 wires, we will use them as switches. After that, we will connect the collectors of the 2 transistors to positive terminal of power supply. After that, we will connect the emitters of the 2 transistors to negative terminal of power supply through 4.7 kiloohm. Now we connect our power supply and let's try. We will measure the output on the 4.7 ohm resistor. When the 2 inputs is equals 0, the output is 0. The 3 other conditions, the output must be 1, and this what we achieve by our circuit as you see in video. As you see, we can achieve the truth table using this circuit, so it is correct. Now we will start to connect the circuit of NOR gate. Here is the difference between OR gate circuit and NOR gate circuit. We will change the place of this resistor and the output point as you see in the video. Now we will change the place of resistor to make NOR circuit as you see in the video. Now we will put our oscilloscope probe to measure output. Here is the truth table of NOR gate. Let's see if our circuit achieves it. When the 2 inputs is equals 0, the output is 1 as you see on oscilloscope. The THRE other conditions, the output must be 0, and this what we achieve as you see in video.